Jordan Legacy 312 Low. Green Glow 2025. Although the most recent Legacy 312 Low is not a direct replica of the previously described pair, it does have a similar green toe box with a stark black contrast. Midfoot leather panels and profile swooshes combine to create a look that is eerily evocative of several popular Air Jordan 1 color schemes. The Midfoot's three-tone potpourri is broken up by the elephant print lifted from the 37-year-old Air Jordan 3 design, which combines with the Nike Air-assisted tooling to evoke Tinker Hatfield's groundbreaking invention. The drab green glow-like tone can take center stage thanks to the Air-accompanied Jumpman branding at the heel wearing a dull gray. Completing the hybrid offering is the tried-and-true outsole underneath, which likewise indulges in the spring-friendly hue. The Legacy 312 Low should cost $145 for a pair.